Hi, I'm Joey, and I'm going to be showing you how to make a Rona Fighter mask. For this project, you will need 100% cotton fabric with a high thread count. Fabric scissors if you have them. If not, you can just use very sharp scissors, thread, needles, a moldable nose piece such as this, elastic or fabric strips to create the ear straps, a disposable filter such as these carbon filters, coffee filters, or paper towels, and finally a printed copy of the mask template from the Rona Fighters website. First, carefully cut out each piece from the template. There should be 6 pieces in total. Place each piece from the template on the fabric and trace it carefully with a piece of chalk or similar writing instrument. Next, using a pair of sharp scissors, cut out the pieces you have traced and lay them out. Place piece 1 and piece 2 together and pin them in place. Sew a seam along the curved edges of piece 1 and piece 2 along the blue dotted line of the template. Then, along the straight edge of piece 1, fold over the fabric and sew down the edge along the red dotted line of the template. Repeat these steps on piece 2. When sewing down the fold, ironing the fabric may make these steps easier. Take piece 3 and fold over the edge with the red dotted line and sew it down. Repeat this step with piece 4. Now you will have to attach piece 3 to piece 1 and piece 4 to piece 2. Line up piece 1 and piece 3 so that it looks like the green dotted lines on the template match up. Sew a seam along the green dotted line so that the two pieces are attached. Do the same with pieces 2 and 4. At the end, all of the fabric should be in one piece. Place pieces 5 and 6 together. Then, sew along the curved edge where the blue dotted line is on the template. Now place the two pieces together so that they line up. Make sure that both pieces are facing inside out. Now that the two pieces have been placed together, sew all around the edges of the two pieces. In the end, you should have one large piece. Now that you have finished sewing the two pieces together, reach inside the pocket and pull the mask out. There should be no seam showing at this point. Now, take your supplies for creating the ear straps. In this video, adjustable elastic ear straps have been supplied. Now, attach each elastic piece to the edges of the mask. Fold over the edges of the mask and sew it down to secure the elastic in place. Now, take the piece that you have set aside for the nose piece and insert it into the pocket in between the two layers of fabric. Once the nose piece is in place towards the top center of the mask, prepare to stitch the nose piece into the mask by hand. Use a blanket stitch to attach the nose piece to the mask permanently. Now for the final step. Place a filter inside of the mask. You have now officially completed your very own Rona Fighter mask.